Hey, hello guys, welcome to Cloud Learning channel. So in this video is about an update about the course which is uploaded on Udemy site, the complete AWS Solution Architect course, which is in English language. So here I have updated one section here. So if you have already taken the course from this website, so this is the new section I have added, which is VPC. So it is approximately 1.5 hour session, and this we have discussed VPC in details. Like I have talked about VPC, their important terms, what are the important things which comes in VPC, like VPC, subnet, route table, internet gateway, net gateway, VPG, customer gateway, VPN connection, NACL, security groups, VPC peering. So all these important things have been discussed here, which is related to VPC. It almost cover all things of VPC. Then there are number of demos. All the things are in practical, like creating your first VPC wizard, how you can create your VPC and by using wizard. So there are two options: you can create by VPC wizard or you can create it by manually. So first way, which is wizard, and that has been shown in detail, like how it works. Then we have also set up VPC manually, so that is also shown in detail. Then how net gateway works, how private instances used to get internet connectivity with the help of net gateway, what is the difference between internet gateway and net gateway. Then there is testing of we have launched a couple of instances in public subnet and private subnet and seen the functionality, how it actually working. And about VPC peering, how VPC peering, what is the concept of VPC. So this is the complete section of a VPC, and I think you will like that. So if you have already purchased this course, so please request you to go through with this topic, which is very important if you are learning AWS, and you should go through with this one. You can't miss that, I believe. And if you haven't buy this already, so you can use this coupon to get it on the best prices. However, it is already available quite reasonable price, but you can use this coupon Cloud Learn Open and you will get it the lowest price available. So this is the only update, guys. I hope you will like this. If you go to Udemy, you can find it from AWS Solution Architect Associate course, or simply you need to type here in the console www.udemy.com, and as you know, Cloud Learning our channel name. So udemy.com/cloud learning, and you can find this course easily available. And the benefit is that this is the latest labs, so you will get the latest labs basically, and the latest update which is happening in AWS. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. I think I am not missing anything else. Yes, so I think that's all from my side right now. If you have any questions, you can please let me know. Thank you.